We're going to take a look at the Wolf Covert. This is a 6 MOA red dot sight. A user manual here, which is pretty extensive. Yeah, looks like a pretty good manual. We get a cleaning cloth. We get some silica gel. Definitely do not eat. We get a couple of Allen wrench tools here. One is a star drive, the other is a flathead screwdriver. So one to install and change your battery, and the other to make your adjustments, your windage and elevation adjustments. Let's see what else we get here. We get a Glock MOS plate. So if you want to mount this up to a Glock, it does come with an adapter. That's nice. We get our sight. We'll come back to that in a second. We get some mounting screws here. Let's see if these are labeled at all. Yes, they are labeled, so that's a nice touch. We get a battery. Actually, this came with two. I went ahead and installed one already, just for the purpose of showing off this dot. This is RMR cut. It does come with a Picatinny adapter installed. You can take this off and stick this on an RMR or Glock MOS, as they include that plate. Aluminum housing. This is shockproof, IPX7 waterproof. Nice large window on this. 22 by 28 lens there. And glass is nice and clear. Multi-coated lens. This is a shake awake, motion on. Okay, so it will come on with any motion. It will shut off after 4 minutes of it being at rest. These take CR1632 batteries. Like I said, that came with two. You get one MOA adjustments, your elevation here, windage there. And let's test out here. I just want to see on these if they are, clicks are not super positive. You can kind of feel them, you can't really hear them. So that is a little bit of a downside. I wish they were a little more audible, but the nicest thing about this so far that I've seen is you have top-loaded battery compartment. So you will unscrew with your little star drive here, you will unscrew this cover, insert your battery, and just screw that back down nice and tight. So you do not have to remove this to change batteries, which is a very nice feature. You do have 10 brightness settings on here. Let's see if I can pick this dot up. There we go. We'll go all the way to the bottom on this, get it on camera. So that's going to be your dimmest setting. I'll come back the other way. So the button on the left over here will be to go brighter, and you have 10 brightness adjustments. So, all right, that is the brightest. Finger out of the way there and get this back on camera where we can get in a little glare. There we go. So that's super bright, probably a little too bright for me. I'm gonna go down somewhere in the middle. See if I can get that to focus again. That's probably where I would use it, somewhere in the middle where it's not quite as bright. Kind of hard to pick up on camera there. It's kind of doing weird. When I look through it, it's a whole different ball game. At any rate, what else can I tell you about this? I do like this design here, where it kind of has this protective lip, keep your glass from getting bumped or banged. You don't want broken glass. Yeah, nice. These run somewhere around $100, right over $100, maybe like 120.